Here in villages, generally we don't have matches and lighters. So Amos is gonna show us how they make fire here in village. So he's gonna explain us about it. Yes, Amos.
Yeah, so in the village we don't normally use lighters and matches. We have these two special woods. We normally wrap them together in a form of friction and we get the fire from them. So for this one is hard and we call it sandpaper tree. And this one is soft, we call it cedar tree. So together in a form of friction, we get the fire with the bone marrow of a sandpaper. And the role of the cedar is to produce the ashes. So for now, we are going to see it practically.
So we are now moving into one of the houses, Masai houses. So many here. We're gonna go inside one, and we're gonna see how it looks, how
Also,
people stay.
you see, the old cows from the old village normally stay together. So each cow, each family have their own way to brand their own cows. Like this one is a mark for one family. You see how they mark? And the cutting of the ears. So each family normally have their own brand to identify their own cow from other cows. Yeah.
So that's how differentiation happens.
That's how you differentiate it.
Yeah.
So at first you need to mind your head when you're coming inside. Also inside of the house it's quite dark for the first time when you're getting inside. But if you spend some time, your eyes will just see better. So if you like to take some good photos, you better use the flash of the phone.
Sure.
Yeah.
So just getting inside a Masai house, and like Amos mentioned, it's quite dark, but I'll ask to put some flashlight. So if you see here, we're getting inside. Here we come.
Yeah, we have a small window here.
Yes, so here is the sitting place.
Yeah, you can have
I'm gonna sit there.
Yeah.
Amos is right here, and this is the kitchen. If you see,
So here is the kitchen. Here is where we cook. And we have a small window there. That window is like a chimney for the smoke to go out. Also for the house, one house normally takes like 3 months to be completed. And this is the role of ladies to build the houses. So ladies normally build the houses, and the house takes like 3 months. So after 3 months, we live in the new house, and we stay for around 8 to 9 years. After that long time, we have to move and build a new village. And the reason why we move after 9 is because of the termites. Termites normally destroy the woods of the houses, and they normally destroy on the ground. So when they destroy the woods, like the house lack more support and it falls. So in experience such case, we have to move and build a new village. Also moving to the new village, you don't move far from here. We just move some few meters away from the old village. And the reason why we don't move far is because of the school, the distance of the school, and also the distance of the river where we get some water to drink. So to maintain the distance of those two basic things, we just move some few meters away from the old village. Also moving to the new village, we destroy the old one. We burn completely with fire. And the reason why we do so is because we need some grass for the cows, and also we need to destroy the territories of the termites so they will not follow us to the new village very easily. And the chief of the village is the one to decide where we are going to set a new village. So here for the house, we have the house have 3 bedrooms. We have the first bed here. This bed is for the parents, Papa and Mama. We have another bed here. This bed is for the kids. We have an extra room here. There's another bed this side.
Yes.
So that bed is for the visitors. So whenever we have some guests who are willing to spend a night with us, they have their own place to stay. And the bed for the children, at the age of 10 years and above, kids are not supposed to spend the same night in the same house with their parents. So we normally have some bachelor's rooms just within the village. Our mothers just cooperate and build one big house for the boys and one big house for the girls. So the boys who are 10 years and above, they go stay with their age mates until they get married. That's the time they will get their own houses. And the reason why they move after 10 is because it's like we show the respect of the parents. Because you are matured enough, you need to spend the night in a different house with the parents.
Okay.
Yeah. Also, our basic food in the village is the cow milk. We drink the milk from the cow. Also, we drink the blood from the cow. But for the blood, we don't drink every day. We take it for special occasions, like circumcision and wedding ceremonies. Also, we don't take the blood from a dead animal. Whenever we need some blood from a cow, we just take it from a freshly living animal. So we normally have a special arrow in the village. Whenever we need some blood from a cow, we just hold a cow, we tie on the neck using some ropes, and we obtain a main vein. So when we obtain a main vein, we shoot using the arrow. After we shoot, we get the blood from it. And also we slaughter cows, sheep, and goats for meat. We don't eat meat from the wild animals, like zebras, lions. Culture does not allow us to do that. Also in the market, we buy maize. And the reason why we buy maize in the market is because we don't do any farming around. The reason why we don't do farming is because of the wild animals. If you grow something like maize around, elephants will be every day. So we normally prefer to buy maize in the market rather than risking life of people in the village. Yeah, so that's all about the house.
Yep. That's a lot of information, Amar.
Yeah.
Thanks, Amos, for that.
You're welcome.
Beautiful, and the house is beautiful as well.
Yeah. You see the design of the whole house?
Yeah.
This is the place for the utensils and everything.
Right. So you see, viewers, this house is built by ladies, like Amos said, and so beautifully built. The life is 9 years, 10 years maximum, and they have to destroy this because of termites, and termites eat up the base of the house, so they just move a little ahead. But yeah, wonderful to be part of this house for whatever time I am here, and wonderful hospitality. And like Amos mentioned, that they only slaughter cow and sheep and goat for meat, so no killing wild animals. They respect the environment around them, and it's wonderful to be with him and the whole family here. This village comprises of around 200 people. That's what Amos said, and they are from the same grandfather. So any marriage that happens in this village is with some other village and not the same village, because they share the same ancestor. So that's what I came to know. Stay tuned. I'll bring some more interesting facts and some more video with regards to the Masai village. This is RK currently in Masai village. So it's time for a wonderful tea.
Yeah.
And we are inside the house again, and I will just take you closer. If you see here, the tea is right on the flames.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be fun drinking tea inside a Masai house.
You saw the lady who was milking?
Yes.
This is the milk from the...
From the same cow. Yeah, and this is the fresh milk. So you will just see a video before this bite wherein a wonderful Masai woman was milking a cow, and I'm very fortunate that milk is now inside the vessel, and I'm gonna have the tea. So that's my tea on the way, and here it comes. Hot brewing tea.
Yeah, hot.
Yes.